Multiply 592 by 78 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Put 6 in this column and carry 1. 8 times 9 plus the carried 1 is 73. Put 3 in this column and carry 7. 8 times 5 plus the carried 7 is 47. The first partial product is 4,736. Now use the tens digit, 7. Start one place to the left. 7 times 2 is 14. Put 4 in this column and carry 1. 7 times 9 plus the carried 1 is 64. Put 4 in this column and carry 6. 7 times 5 plus the carried 6 is 41. The second partial product is 41,440. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 6 plus 0 is 6. In the tens column, 3 plus 4 is 7. In the hundreds column, 7 plus 4 is 11. Put 1 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 4 plus 1 plus the carried 1 is 6. In the 10,000s column, bring down 4. The product of the whole numbers is 46,176. So 592 times 78 is 46,176.